Photoshop has some really cool presets built into it that you can use in your photography. So I'm going to open them and show you what they are. We have Filter, Camera Raw Filter. This is how we access them. Once it's loaded, and it can take a minute, we're going to go into this little icon here. And this is full of presets. There's lots and lots and lots of presets, and they're all different styles. I'm going to choose the vintage one for today because that's what I'm going to look at. Working on a portrait, and I'm going to go for a vintage look. So I'm going to scroll down, and as I look, each one is ever so slightly different. I quite like number 8 today. So I'm going to click on number 8 and select it. But I want to do a little bit more to it. I don't like you to just use a preset. I like you to make it your own. So now I've selected it, I'm going to come back up to this edit bar here, and this opens my Camera Raw filter panel. So I'm going to mess a little bit with the highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. I'm not going to touch anything else in this image. So I'm going to lift the shadows a little bit. It just puts a bit more detail into a hair. I can take it down low or up high. I want a little bit more in a hair. I'm going to lift the whites a tiny bit and lift the highlights, but not too much because she's bleached. Want to keep that lovely skin tone. I'm going to lift the blacks. Now I'm going to take them down just a little bit, make it a bit moody. That would be my finished image. I'm going to hit OK and then save it. And there's my image using a preset.